Hey everyone, SM's here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to use MSI Afterburner to set up its on-screen displays, which is great if you're running gameplay videos and you want to see exactly what sort of frame rate your CPU usage and your memory usage is as well. I'll go ahead and show you that now. So you go ahead and start by clicking the settings icon here. Once this window pops up for the MSI Afterburner properties, you'll want to go over to monitoring. And this is where you'll kind of set up the on-screen displays that you want. So you can scroll through here. There's a whole list of them. Some of them are checked by default. But some of the main ones that a lot of people use are your GPU usage. So for instance, you make sure this one's selected. And yeah, you'll want to make sure that under the properties it says in OSD, which is the on-screen display, is checked here. And then we can go ahead and do that for some of them here as well. Even though they're checked, you'll see like they're not listed as to show an on-screen display. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure it's listed here. So let's go through some other more generally used ones here. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, memory usage. This is a good one. So I'll go ahead and check that box there. And let's keep scrolling. Let's see. What else do we want? Temperatures are good, but let's see. There should be just CPU usage. Okay, yeah. All right, that's the one I want. To make sure that's checked. And again, you can go through all the different ones that you want to suit your preference. I'm going to do RAM. Make sure it's set to on-screen display. And let's do frame rate as the last one and make sure that's set. Once that's all done, go ahead and click apply. And hit OK, and that's all you need to do. So I'll show you, I'll pause the video here right now and then launch a video game. And then you'll see all those metrics that I selected are shown in my game. Okay, so now I'm back in my game here called Sim Airport, and here you go. Here are all the on-screen display metrics that I set up. We have your GPU usage, your memory usage, CPU usage, and your RAM usage, and last but not least is the frame rate. So yeah, if you were always curious in those gameplay videos how they had all the metrics and stuff like that for their games, that's exactly how you do it. All right, so thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, feel free to check out the rest of the videos on my channel if you are interested. This is S Sims. Thanks for watching.